The 2023 Volkswagen Arteon is a surprise in many ways. It's a very nice all-around family sedan at a time when sedans are out of favor.
It's handsome both outside and inside in an Audi kind of way.
It's big, one of just 5 full-size mainstream sedans on the market.
Its interior is comfortable and spacious with handsome lines, desirable standard features and plenty of cargo room. It's a hatchback. An available all-wheel drive configuration gives it an advantage over competitors like the Nissan Maxima, and the Arteon's sleek styling gives it curb appeal the new Toyota Crown could only wish for. The pep of its turbocharged 4-cylinder engine matches the Arteon's overall demeanor and enables the big sedan to easily hold its own against V6-powered rivals. While it is certainly costly, the Arteon is the priciest vehicle in its class. The expense seems justified given its attributes. Indeed, we rank it at the top of its small segment. Given how many automakers have purged sedans from their lineups, the Arteon may have a questionable future as VW continues to expand its SUV offerings. But for anyone looking for a big sedan oozing European-inspired style and packing a plethora of good qualities, now may be the time to visit your local VW dealer. Changes to the Volkswagen Arteon this year include a few new standard features for the base SAR line model, such as LED headlights and a heated steering wheel. SAR line models get larger 20-inch wheels and new interior dressings. Even though the SAR line now also comes standard with adaptive cruise control, automatic high beams, and lane keeping assist, we think the SAR line strikes the best balance of style and standard features.
Compared with the entry-level model, it boasts a snazzier cabin that has cool ambient lights, real leather upholstery, and a panoramic sunroof. Engine, transmission, and performance.
The Arteon is motivated by a 300 horsepower, turbocharged, 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine with 295 pound-feet of torque. It's mated to a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission.
The base SE model is front-wheel drive only, but all-wheel drive is standard on the SAL and SAL Premium.
Depending on the trim level, the Arteon comes standard with 18-, 19-, or 20-inch wheels. Adaptive suspension dampers are standard and adjust automatically to your driving style or be manually set to comfort, normal, or sport.
Regardless of the setting, the ride is smooth and controlled. Precise steering is reminiscent of the 10 best winning Golf GTI, and the handling is competent. But you won't confuse this big VW for a sports sedan.
The Arteon is quick too, snapping off a 4.6-second run to 60 miles per hour and eclipsing the quarter mile in just 13.3 seconds at 103 miles per hour at our test track.
Fuel economy and real-world MPG. The EPA has estimated 25 miles per gallon city and 33 miles per gallon highway for front-wheel drive Arteon models and 22 miles per gallon city, 31 miles per gallon highway for all-wheel drive models. Once we can test one on our 75 miles per hour highway fuel economy route, which is part of our extensive testing regimen, we can evaluate its real-world MPG. Interior, comfort, and cargo. Inside, the VW Arteon is furnished with good quality materials, though the design is admittedly conservative.
Nevertheless, VW carved out plenty of interior room from the big 5 doors rakish profile.
2 large-framed 6-footers can ride up front without ever rubbing elbows.
Rear seating is similarly accommodating, and there's a noticeable increase in legroom compared with the old, discontinued VW Passat sedan. The Arteon's hatchback opens to reveal a generous 27 cubic feet of cargo capacity. We managed to fit 9 carry-on suitcases behind its rear seat and another 21 total, with the back seat stowed, so it's a near SUV in terms of practicality. All Arteons come with heated front seats and a power liftgate. Opting for the top-of-the-line SAL Premium adds ventilation for the front seats, a massage feature for the driver, heated seats for rear passengers, 30-color ambient lighting, and black carbon interior trim.
Infotainment and connectivity. An 8.0-inch touchscreen infotainment system is standard on every Arteon.
It's primarily controlled through touch inputs, and there's no longer a volume knob, but there are also touch-sensitive controls on the heated steering wheel.
Along with 2 USB ports, the VW has wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Stepping up to the SAL adds built-in navigation, and the SAL Premium features a powerful Harman Kardon audio system.
Additional connected features, such as remote vehicle unlocking and emergency assistance, are available with a Volkswagen CarNet subscription.
Stay tuned to Auto RBX for all the latest, and let us know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.